This video is sponsored by PelucidFX.com.
Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Well, now let's see what's going on currently on the gold market and C market. After the respect of the target that we have specified previously, and since some intraday ABCD pattern, its retracement now is trying to continue move to the upside and gradually approaching the previous high. But still, this level hasn't been challenged yet by the price action. The theoretical possibility of butterfly buy pattern still exists here, and I see some difficulty with that market shows now with this proceeding to the highest, some sort of the pressure that's now presses on the market based on the price action that it shows on the intraday charts. That's why I think that odds that markets really could show the significant plunge down here is not as small as it seems currently on the daily time frame. Well, I see some difficulty with this. That market feels with this upward move. Some sort that market struggling every day with some pressure that it feels because the price action to the upside is a bit choppy. In the current environment, it's rather difficult to advise something because if you had the short position, probably you was the stop out yesterday. If you move your stop to the break even as we suggested, and here is difficult to advise whether to take short position or not. But if you're bearish, then probably it could be, you could try it because your stop will be rather tight, just above these highs, if you count on this potential butterfly buy pattern. If you're bullish, well, in this case, I don't know, maybe it's difficult to say whether to take the long position currently or not, because the range to this area is rather small, not big room to this area, and the major question is where you will place your stop when you would like to enter long right here. From that purpose, maybe if market will take it out of these highs, just waiting the end of the retracement somewhere around the bottom, the 618 resistance, and enter with this solid bearish trend and the overall bearish environment on the gold market. Well, because currently enter long, I think it's a bit late. On the 4-hour time frame, we see how market has completed this ABCD, that was retracement that we have counted on. But yes, the market has erased the possibility for this, as we call it, possible head and shoulders pattern. Still, with this price action now, I see the market looks a bit heavy. It's a bit an overall price action you can see to the upside very choppy. Well, like something something presses on the market. Also take a look, the market now is forming the bearish divergence on the 4-hour time frame right below this top, so I can't exclude that market could fail there and continue move down. That is possible. On the hourly time frame, we see some sort of the bearish wedges forming now right around of the completion point of the ABCD pattern. That is, you can see on the divergence with the MACD indicator, and that could lead to some sort of the wash and rinse of the previous highs when the people have entered short with this ABCD completion point and do not, if they didn't act as we suggest, so taking the half of the profit from the position and rest the another half. So if you even become wrong and that has happened, you end this trade with some profit, although you have been stop out on the rest of the half your position at the break even. But currently, if market will return right back, well, I can't exclude that this could be just grabbing the stops above this high, and market has the chances to continue move down, because in this price action I do not see really a thrusting acceleration and a real power to the upside on the gold market. This looks like more as some sort of the retracement or something of that sort, and I think that the odds that the butterfly will appear have not been eliminated totally by the price action. If market will accelerate further and take out of this high, then probably yes, we should be ready for the move to the 1635, and only around this area, around 1635, we will start to think about entry on the short side of the market. To enter, as I said, to enter on the long side of the market, it's very difficult, because it's difficult to estimate where you could place your stop order, and it should be rather tight to get the normal and acceptable risk-reward ratio with the trade to the 1635 area. Well, that's why maybe even it makes more reason to take the short position with the stops above these highs, because this stop will be relatively tight with some small position. With this overall environment with the Cyprus turmoil, it's very difficult to make the bet on any direction, especially on Friday. And in this, from that standpoint, it's probably not take any position through the weekend, because some announce about the Cyprus situation could be made, since the banks on the Cyprus will be closed till the Monday, 26th of March. From that point of view, some announcement probably will be made with the weekend. That's why it's better to close all positions today and wait the solution with the clear trading sheet. So makes your choice by yourself. Well, but probably it makes sense to stay flat, although I think that the odds that market could show some downward reversal and show the butterfly on the daily time frame still exist.